Jai Hind. We have discussed the problems to find out the median of the group data. Isn't it, children? So, median of grouped data formula median equal to L plus n by 2 minus CF by F into H, where L represents lower limit of the median class. So, what is median class? The class whose CF is greater than and nearest to n by 2, where n is the total frequency, CF is cumulative frequency of the class preceding the median class, and F frequency of the median class, and H the class size. Okay, children? Now we are going to discuss the problems to find out missing frequency of a data if its median is given. You can expect questions with one missing frequency or with two missing frequencies. First, we will discuss the question with one missing frequency. Now come to this question. The median of the following data is 151.5. Find the value of x. Here one frequency is missing that we have to find out. And class intervals are given, frequencies are given, and we have to find out cumulative frequencies because we are going to apply the same formula to find out the missing frequency. So first let us complete the cumulative frequency column. So you know that very well, so I am not going to explain more. First, cumulative frequency is 2 itself, then 2 plus 8, 10, 10 plus 12, 22, then 22 plus x. Don't write it as 22x, it is 22 plus x. Then 22 plus 8 is 30. 30 plus x. So when we add all these, we are getting 30 plus x. Okay. Now we have to collect the data to apply in the formula. Here the median is given 151.5. So we can say the median class very easily. It is not like that problems to find out median. For missing frequency questions, median class is very easy to find out because median is given. 151.5 is coming in which class? It is lying in this class, 150 to 160. So median is given, so median class will be 150 to 160. So median class 150 to 160. What is L? Lower limit, that is 150. Now N stands for total frequency, isn't it? Total frequency means by adding the frequencies we are getting total frequency. So while adding these numbers 2 plus 8 plus 12 plus x plus 8, the total frequency you will get just like 30 plus x. What you are getting as total frequency, that will come as the last CF. Okay. So n is 30 plus x. What is n by 2? 30 plus x, the whole by 2. Now we need CF. In the formula, what this CF represents? CF is the CF of the preceding class of median class. So here preceding class is 140 to 150. Its CF is 22. Now what F represents? Frequency of the median class, that is X. Then H, class size. Here the class size is 10. Now we are going to apply all these values in the formula. Median is given as 151.5. That is our median formula, L plus n by 2 minus CF by F into H equal to 151.5. Now we are going to substitute the known values. Lower limit L is 150 plus n by 2. It is 30 plus x the whole by 2. Okay. So 30 plus x by 2 minus CF is 22. The whole by what is our f? X into h is 10 equal to 151.5. Children, you have to listen carefully how the simplification is going. So first we can, for easy calculation, we can take this 150 to other side. Here it is added, so that will come as subtraction. So next step, 30 plus x by 2 minus 22 the whole by x multiplied by 10 equal to 151.5 minus 150. Now here, how can we do the simplification? Here one rational form and here one whole number. So that you know how to take the LCM and all. And we have to write 2 as common denominator. Now what is the numerator? 30 plus x itself here for the first number. Then here the numerator will be 2 into 22, 44. The whole by x multiplied by 10 equal to here 151.5 minus 150. 151.5 minus 150. 1.5. Okay, children. Now, if there is any doubt in these steps, you have to contact your teacher. Because if you are explaining more about LCM and all, we can't finish it now. Okay, children. Now, here we have 30 minus 44. 30 minus 44 minus 14 plus x by 2 the whole by x multiplied by 10 equal to 1.5. Now we can take this 2 also with this x minus 14 plus x by 2x multiplied by 10 equal to 1.5. Okay, children. Now, remaining calculations. Here we have minus 14 plus x by 2x multiplied by 10 equal to 1.5. That is the step we have. Now I am going to take this 2x here to that side. Here it is division. That will come as multiplication. So minus 14 plus x into 10 equal to 1.5 into 2x. So we can multiply by these two terms by 10 by opening the bracket. Minus 140x plus 10x equal to here 1.5 into 2. 1.5 into 2, 3x. Okay, children. 1.5 into 2, 10. Then 1 balance, 3. 3.0, 3x. Now variable terms you have to take to another side. Here, note 140x, it is 140 only. Okay. So 10x minus 3x equal to minus 140 will come as 140. Okay children, here no x. So 7x equal to 140, x equal to 140 by 7, that is 20. So that is our missing frequency. The value of the missing frequency is 20. Is it clear children? Go through the video 2 or 3 times to get the simplification method. Okay. Now we will discuss the problems with 2 missing frequencies. Okay. Now consider the question. If the median of the following frequency distribution is 46, find the missing frequencies. And here one more data is given. The total frequency is given as 230. The total frequency is given as 230. That is given in the question itself. Total frequency is 230. Okay children? And median is given as 46. So just like the last question, we need CF column. Here I wrote the CFs already. First one 12, 12 plus 30, 42, 42 plus 6. Then 42 plus 65, 107 plus 6. Then 107 plus 6, next variable is y. So we can't add these two, don't write it as xy. 107 plus x plus y, two different variables. So we have to write separately. Then 107 plus 25, 132 plus x plus y. Then 132 plus 18, 150 plus x plus y. So we got all the columns of CS. Now this is the data. We have to find out value of x and y. So what is given as median? 46. If median is given, we can find out median class very easily. In which class this 46 is coming? 46 is coming in this 40 to 50, isn't it? In this class interval. So median class is 40 to 50. Then what is L? Lower limit 40. Here we need n by 2. N stands for total frequency. Here we have two unknown variables. That's why they have given two data, median as well as total frequency. So here total frequency is given as 230. So it is 230 by 2, that is 115. Now what is CF? CF of preceding class. Preceding class is 30 to 40. Its CF is 42 plus x. What is F? Frequency of the median class, that is 65. H is, what is H? Class size 10. Now only simplification is left. We have to apply all these values in the formula of median. Median is given as 46. Then formula for median is L plus n by 2 minus CF by F into H, that is given as 46. Now we are substituting the values. L is 40 plus n by 2, 115 minus, what is our CF? CF is 42 plus x. So we have two terms. So and here we have minus sign. So we have to write inside the bracket first 42 plus x by f is 65, the whole multiplied by h is 10 equal to 46. Now simplification just like the last question. 40 we have to take to other side. Here 115, we have to open the bracket, so minus 42 minus x by 65 multiplied by 10 equal to 46 minus 40. Okay children. Now 115 minus 42. How much? 73 minus x by 65 multiplied by 10 equal to, answer here 46 minus 40 is 6. Okay. Now here this is multiplication. So if you want, you can cancel this 10 and 65 by, you can divide both by 5. So 65 by 5, 13. Here we can cancel, it is 2. Okay. Now what is remaining? 2 into 73 minus x by 13 equal to 6. Okay children. Now 2 into 73 minus x equal to 13 can be taken here, 6 into 13. Okay, you have to watch the video 2 or 3 times. I am again saying this one, then only you can understand. So what is remaining? 2 into 73 minus x equal to 78. Now 73 minus x equal to 78. Here this is multiplication, that will become division here. 73 minus x equal to 39 minus x equal to 39 minus 73. Don't forget to consider this minus. So minus x equal to, what is 39 minus 73? So here we have to subtract and put the sign of greater value, numerical value. So answer is 34, minus 34. If minus x is minus 34, what is x? It is 34. So we got one missing value, x as 34. Now we have one more missing frequency, y. Now how to find out that y? For that we are taking the total frequency. Total frequency. See here the total frequency we got, it is given as 230. That means sum of all these numbers is given as 230. Okay. The sum of all these numbers are coming as the last cumulative frequency. So 150 plus x plus y is the total frequency, and it is already given as 230. That value we are considering to find value of y. Okay. So total frequency is given as 230. What is the total frequency? 150 plus x plus y equal to 230. Now x value we know, we got x value as 34, isn't it? Now 150 plus 34 plus y equal to 230. What is 150 plus 34? 184 plus y equal to 230. So y equal to 230 minus 184. What is it? 230 minus 184, 46. Okay, children. So we got the missing frequencies x equal to 34 and y equal to 46. Okay. Now I will explain one more question. Then it will be clear to you. What is it? If the median of the following frequency distribution is 32.5, find the values of F1 and F2. F1 and F2 are here missing frequencies. Okay, children. So first we can fill up the column CF. First one F1, then 5 plus F1, then 5 plus 9, 14 plus F1, then 14 plus 12, 26 plus F1, then next 26 plus F1 plus F2, then 29 plus F1 plus F2, then last column 31 plus F1 plus F2. Okay, children. Now that means the last CF is the total frequency of the given data. Now we have to collect the data. First we have to find out median class. What is the median? 32.5. So if median is 32.5, it will be in the median class. So in which class 32.5 is coming? In 30 to 40. Okay. So L is lower limit. So L equal to 30. Then N by 2. N is given as, what is the value of N? Here it is given in the question. It is given as 40. See, in the question it is given total frequency is 40. Okay. Now, N by 2 we can have 40 by 2. Then CF. CF here preceding class cumulative frequency. So it is 14 plus F1. This is CF. Now F is equal to frequency of median class, that is 12. Then H we have 10. Okay. Now we are going to substitute the values. So L is 30 plus N by 2. N is 40. 40 by 2. 20 minus, what is CF? 14 plus F1. 14 plus F1 by, what is F? 12 multiplied by 10 equal to 32.5. Now just simplification. First we can take this 30 to other side, and here we can open the bracket. 20 minus 14 minus F1 by 12 into 10 equal to 32.5 minus 30. 20 minus 14, 6 minus F1 by 12 multiplied by 10 gives here 32.5 minus 30, 2.5. Now here multiplication, we can do the cancellation. Here 6, here 5. Okay, both are divisible by 2. Now 5 into 6 minus F1 equal to, this 6 can be taken to this side. 2.5 into 6. Here we can open the bracket. Okay, no need to open the bracket now because we can take this 5 also to other side. So 6 minus f1 equal to, here when you multiply 2.5 into 6, you will get 15. Here 5. Now 6 minus f1 equal to 15 by 5, 3. Now minus f1 equal to 3 minus 6. Okay children. Now we have minus f1 equal to, what is 3 minus 6? Minus 3. So f1 equal to 3. If minus f1 is minus 3, f1 equal to 3. Now how will we get? Now we got one missing frequency. How will you get this another one? In the last question what we have discussed, the second missing frequency we are getting from the total frequency. Here what is the total frequency? Total frequency is given as 40. Okay. Total frequency means sum of all these columns, sum of all these numbers we are getting as last CF. So that is 31 plus F1 plus F2 equal to 40. F1 plus F2 equal to 40 minus 31. 40 minus 31. We got the value of F1. So 3 plus F2 equal to 40 minus 31, 9. So F2 equal to 9 minus 3. It is 6. So we got the missing frequencies F1 as 3 and F2 as 6. Children, you have to concentrate on the simplification part. Watch the video 2 or 3 times. Then only you can understand how the simplification is going on. Okay. Now, to find out the missing frequency, I am giving homework. Exercise 14.3. Question number 2. And one more question. In page number 284, we have example question for finding missing. That also you have to practice. You have to write in your homework note. Okay. If there is any doubt in any step, you have to call your teacher and clear it. Without understanding, don't go for doing the homework. Okay children, thank you.